Hello and welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little different. If you're here because you're looking for my contact information, because maybe you have a broken one of these, then this video is for you. And also if you're a repair tech, well then maybe this video is for you too. One of the most common questions I get down in the comments is, how do I contact you? And I admit I haven't openly broadcasted my contact information, mainly because of the heavy workload. Here, let me show you. So here we have today's incoming repairs. And these are actually just for refurbishing, but we have some local stuff. Anyways, having to balance the workload coming in. There's Kitty chilling out in the window. Means I have to kind of limit the amount of repairs I allow to come in. So basically this channel is growing faster than I ever would have expected. It's going to be hitting 10,000 subs here pretty soon, which kind of blows my mind. But anyways, down in the description of this video, you're going to find a list of techs. And these are techs that I have kind of gotten to know, and I feel that they will provide a quality service. And by that I mean they will stock the parts and have the tools on hand to perform full rebuilds. Like when it comes to these GM clusters, like including all new X27 stepper motors, all new backlighting, reflowing all the needed solder joints, and cleaning up all the silver migration, cleaning off all the flux, and properly clean and calibrate and test the clusters. So that'll be down in the description. Now this list of technicians, they'll also need to be willing to take on failed repair attempt clusters, because that's going to happen and there's really nothing we can do to stop that. And so far in the list I have, well, we have me, I cover the Midwest. We have Mike, who will be covering California, Best Pixel in Illinois. We have Bill in Canada. I'd like to add some more states, definitely someone in Hawaii, maybe another person in Canada, perhaps Alaska, Mexico. And also my end goal would also be to see or set up some sort of a forum for sharing information. Cluster repair technicians kind of seem to keep to themselves. I'd like to see a more open community, like what you see with cell phone and laptop repair guys. You know, they can succeed and do well sharing information. So I think that pretty much covers everything I wanted to talk about. So if you have a broken cluster and you're looking for someone to send it to, maybe you don't want to go back to the dealer, look down in the description of this video and you'll find a list of people with their emails and maybe what they specialize in and their location. So that's it for this one. See you next time. Thanks, guys.